Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You know, I get a lot of questions from viewers and subscribers about the best beginner card to get from American Express. And what I want to do in this video is I want to give my personal opinion on what I think is the best beginner card from American Express. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Travel, everyone. My name is Rod. On this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about points, miles, cash back, personal finance, and how to travel around the country, around the world for little or no money out of your pocket. If this is something you're interested in, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up. It really helps it get pushed out to more viewers. And I'm trying to share this knowledge with as many people as I can, as often as I can. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's roll, baby. Hey, before I get started, I want to thank all of the people that have ever worn a U.S. Armed Forces uniform. Thank you for your service. Thank you for everything you've done. Today is Veterans Day, and I want to take the time to salute you. I really appreciate your service. Hey, you know, while American Express has a lot of credit cards to choose from, in my opinion, the best beginner card from American Express is the American Express Blue Cash Everyday card. It is best suited for those who prefer cash rewards over travel rewards. And right now, no one's really traveling, so why not get a cash back card, especially if you're trying to get your foot in the door with American Express. Now, there is another card, the American Express Everyday card, which is a points card, a membership reward points card that is good. But right now, no one's really traveling, so I would probably take a cashback card over travel reward cards. What I want to do right now is I want to look at some of the different offers that are available with the Blue Cash Everyday card. You will earn a $200 statement credit after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months of card membership. Come on, man, $1,000 after spending, you spend $1,000 and you get $200 cash back. Come on, man, it's a no-brainer. Now, when it comes to earning with the Blue Cash Preferred card, you do have some great categories. You will get 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets on up to $6,000 in spend. Now, after you exceed the $6,000, or if you exceed the $6,000, you will get 1% cash back after that. You also get 2% cash back at U.S. gas stations. Please keep in mind, there's more to buy at gas stations than gas. You get your donuts, you get your coffee, you get your Doritos, whatever you decide to get. Come on, man, there's more money to spend there. You also get 2% cash back at U.S. Department stores, select department stores, your Macy's, your Dillard's, your Nordstrom's Rack, your J.C. Penney, wherever you decide to go, you will get 2% cash back, and you do get 1% cash back on all other purchases. This card does not come with an annual fee, 0 annual fee. That's why I say this card is best for beginners. No annual fee. You don't have to worry about paying a fee every year. Now, some of the main perks and benefits of this card, it does have an intro offer of 0% for 15 months. 0% APR for 15 months. This doesn't mean go out and blow the card up and see how much you can rack up because you have 0%. No, we want to pay our balance in full each month. It really doesn't matter if it's 0% or 25%. You want to pay it each and every month, pay it in full. You also get secondary car rental loss and damage insurance. You get access to Amex offers when you go to your mobile app, or you go to your laptop or your desktop and you log into your account. You'll see different offers where it may be 5% off here, 10% off here, 20% off there. Take advantage of those offers. You can save a lot of money. The bottom line, if you're just starting out and you really want to get your foot in the door with American Express, in my opinion, the American Express Blue Cash card, everyday card, is the way to go. I started with this card. Now I have 8 American Express cards. I would definitely recommend getting this card. It's almost a no-brainer. Now, there is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred card, which has a $95 annual fee, but they waive it the first year. And if you're really somewhat established, you may be able to get this card. But for a beginner card, I would look at the Blue Cash Everyday card. Hey, do me a favor, man. I'd love to hear, what do you think about the Blue Cash Everyday card? Do me a favor. Post it in the comments below. Again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. It helps it get pushed out to more people. And I'm trying to make sure people are coming up. I want to make sure people are knowledgeable. I want to make sure people are taking advantage of these opportunities. Share it with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon, baby. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge. And until then, peace, baby.